Actually, this is the biggest one.
Yan, kaninang lot.
Ninang lot, thank you. Oh, what's this? Oh!
What is it?
A peace sign.
Ooh.
Oh, you like that, right?
Yes, it's very nice. Ooh, dang. Oh, damn. Oh, wow.
Oh, tingin.
This is nice.
Ay, ang ganda. Ano, parang heart.
Nice.
Ang ganda, no?
Very nice, thank you.
Si Uncle Jason, mag-thank you ka rin.
Thank you.
Told you we have the same.
This is from Diana. Awesome.
What's that?
It's a bracelet.
Oh.
Cool. I like it. Thank you. This is cool. Cool.
I know that. You can tie it here.
Ernie, ikaw nga ang kumuha dyan. May reflection ng light.
Cool. Heated blanket. Awesome.
Yeah, you need that, huh?
This is cool. I love it. Thank you very much.
Is that electric blanket?
Yeah.
Kanino to?
Teresa's.
Oh. Okay, wala na.
Cool. That was fun. It's a wonderful life.
Merry Christmas! Tapos na ang aming opening presents. Recession. Kakunting ang
Oh, wow.
presents.
Sorry.
Recession. Better luck next year. Dati, bag and bag. We need a bag. Ngayon, we don't even need a bag. Oh, patayin mo na.